You are going to love the 2008 Tacoma. Toyota Tacoma boasts a roomy interior, a powerful V6 option, and excellent off-road capability, and has been named the best-selling compact pickup by MotorIntelligence.com 5 years in a row. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, air conditioning, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, adjustable headrests, auto express down window, alloy wheels, power steering, cruise control, AM/FM stereo with CD player. Your new ride is just a phone call away.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.